Good afternoon, class. Today's topic is slope of a line or gradient of a line. Slope of a line. The trigonometrical tangent value of an angle that a line make with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise sense is called gradient of a line or slope of a line or of a straight line. That is, if it is x-axis and it is y-axis and a line makes an angle theta in anti-clockwise sense with x-axis, then tangent value of this angle, trigonometrical tangent value, means slope of tangent is equal tan theta, and theta is the angle so slope of a line, where theta is the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Means if a line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, then slope of tangent is given by m equal tan theta. For example, if a line makes an angle 45 degree or pi by 4 with the positive direction of x-axis, means theta equal pi by 4 or 45 degree, pi by 4 or 45 degree, pi by 4 in radian. If we want to change it in degree, then we multiply it by 180 by pi. Then slope of line is tan pi by 4 or tan 45, and value of tan 45 is 1. Slope is represented by m, then m equal tan theta. Now slope of a line passing through two given points. Slope of a line passing through 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by m equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Means if a line passing through 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then slope of this line is obtained by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. For example, slope of line passing through two points at1 square comma 2at1 and at2 square comma 2at2 is m equal y2 minus y1. It is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Then m equal by the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 means 2at2 minus 2at1 by x2 minus x1 means at2 square minus at1 square. A cancel out. We have 2 bracket t2 minus t1 by t2 square minus t1 square. It means m equal, it is a square minus b square. We have m equal m t2 minus t1, m equal 2 into t2 minus t1 and t2 plus t1, t2 minus t1, t2 minus t1 cancel out, and slope of the line passing through 2 points at1 square comma 2at1 and at2 square comma 2at2 is given by 2 by t2 plus t1, and it is answer. Note, slope of a line is in the form ax plus by plus c equal 0 is m equal minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Y, that is minus a by b. It is slope of line is in the form ax plus by plus c equal 0. If the given line is 3x plus 4y plus 9 equal 0, then its slope is m equal minus 3 by 4. Angle between two lines. Let m1 and m2 are the slope of line which makes angle theta 1 and theta 2 with the positive direction of x-axis respectively. That is, if there are two lines, first is PQ and another is RS, which makes an angle theta 1. PQ makes an angle theta 1 at this point O, that is O dash, with x-axis, and RS makes an angle theta 2 with the positive direction of x-axis. Then slope of tangent PQ, slope of PQ is M1 equal tan theta 1. Slope of PQ M1 equal tan theta 1, because PQ makes an angle theta 1 with the positive direction of x-axis, and slope of RS is M2 equal tan theta 2, and we have to find the angle between PQ and RS. Let theta be the angle between the line PQ and RS. Theta be the angle. Then, since theta 2 is the exterior angle of triangle OQS, then theta 2 is exterior angle of triangle OQS. Then theta 2 equal theta plus theta 1, theta equal theta 2 minus theta 1, and tan theta equal tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1, and we know that tan A minus B, the formula for tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Then tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 is tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 by 1 plus tan theta 2 into tan theta 1. Then tan theta equal tan theta 2 is M2, slope of line RS, and it is M1 by 1 plus M1 M2. Since angle ROQ is also the angle between these lines, between PQ and RS, then ROQ angle tan then theta can be written as 180 minus ROQ then tan R O Q, tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta, shift minus to RHS, we have minus M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2. It means the angle between two lines is either plus M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2 or minus M2 minus M1 upon 1 plus M1 M2. The acute angle between two lines is tan theta equal mod M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2, means this term is always positive. Now condition for parallel line. Condition for lines is when two lines are parallel, then angle between these lines is theta. If PQ parallel RS, then theta equals 0. Angle between these two lines is 0. It means tan 0 equal M2 minus M1 1 plus M1 M2. Put the angle between these two lines PQ and RS in the given formula. We have M2 equal M1. On solving, we have M2 equal M1, means if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, then the slope of these two lines are equal. Condition for perpendicular line. Condition for perpendicular line. If PQ is perpendicular to RS, then the angle between these two lines is 90 degree. We have tan 90 degree is equal M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2. Tan 90 degree is infinite, and infinite can be written as 1 by 0. Now on solving, we have 1 plus M1 M2. M2 minus M1 into 0 is 0. 1 plus M1 M2 into 1 is equal to 0. Then M1 M2 is equal minus 1, and it is the condition for two perpendicular lines. If two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1, means if M1 is the slope of first line, M2 is the slope of second line, then M1 M2 equal minus 1 for perpendicular lines, and for parallel lines both slopes are equal. Both slopes are equal. Now collinearity of 3 points. Of 3 point A, B, C are 3 collinear points. Points then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Means if ABC are three collinear points, then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, or slope of AC is equal to slope of BC, or slope of AB is also equal to slope of AC.